Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my student. How are you today?
We are fine.
Thank you. I'm good, thank you. So before we start our class, let's begin with prayer together. Narito, could you lead us for prayer?
Yes, Miss.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Okay, now I will check your attendance. If you hear me call your name, please raise your hand and say present. Understand?
Yes,
Understand? Okay. Cuk Atira Riza,
Present, Miss.
Cuk Nafa Nabila,
Present,
Jin
Miss.
Nafa Sarah,
Present, Miss.
dan itu Putra Kusuma.
Present, Miss.
Okay, semua hadir?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now, please stand up. Okay, let me check your clothes. Is it dirty or not? So far, so good. And could you look around? Is it any trash? Can you find no, miss?
No, miss.
Okay, you may sit down. So, my student, you will need to know. You have to know if the classroom is clean, you can get more comfortable in learning. Because as we know, cleanliness is half the play. Good job. Now, let me show you our learning objective. So, our first one is identify the structure of narrative text, such as orientation, complication, and resolution. And the second one is understand the story content and determine the moral message of the narrative text. Next. Have you ever seen these pictures before?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
The first one is Buddha. And the second one is
Merah-Putih.
Okay. So, based from what you remember, what is the ending of the Malikunda? Is it good ending or bad ending?
Bad
Bad ending. Can anyone tell me why?
Jadi batu.
Yes, good job, Nico. And how about Om Timah Merah?
Good ending.
Yes, why?
Karena akhirnya bawang putih itu sama pangeran.
Yeah, good job, Hamza. That's correct. Now, since you already see these two examples of the story, I'm sure everyone here is familiar with narrative text. So, can anyone tell me what is narrative text based from what you have learned in your junior high school? Anyone?
Miss.
Okay, Cik Patrick, Cik Nova, can you tell me?
So, as far as I remember, narrative text is a text that memuat cerita yang berisi pengalaman. Dan narrative text itu bisa kayak cerita yang sebenarnya atau cerita yang cuma kita imajinasikan aja.
Very good, excellent, you are correct. Now, let's see the definition of narrative text. As you can see, yes, right, like Cuk Nova says, narrative text is text that's form of writing that tells a chronological story, real or imagined, designed to entertain, inform, and teach a lesson. So, what is the benefit of the narrative text? So, by learning narrative text, you will be able to understand the structure of the story, comprehend the content, and identify the moral message. Additionally, you can also improve your reading skill. Get it?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. So, for today, we will learn more about narrative text. And soon, I will ask you to make a group. Understand?
Yes,
Okay, good job, everyone.